Imagine a world where democracy evolves beyond partisan gridlock, where technology amplifies our collective wisdom rather than dividing us. Today, we'll explore superintelligent democracy, a revolutionary framework that merges artificial intelligence with human values to create the most transparent, inclusive, and scalable governance system in the world. Our democratic systems are failing us, not because democracy itself is flawed, but because our 18th century tools can't solve 21st century problems. Look at these trends. Political polarization has reached historic heights. Social media algorithms amplify our differences rather than our common ground. Critical challenges like climate change remain deadlocked. Public trust in institutions has plummeted to historic lows. We're not just facing a crisis of democracy, we're facing a crisis of decision-making itself. Superintelligent democracy is not just another digital voting system, it's a fundamental reimagining of how societies make decisions. Think of it as an operating system for modern governance, built on 5 revolutionary pillars. First, moral graphs. Imagine GPS for ethical decisions, mapping our shared values to concrete choices. 2. AI super wisdom. Not just artificial intelligence, but artificial wisdom, trained to find solutions that honor our deepest values. Third, continuous citizen input, moving beyond the outdated concepts of periodic elections to real-time democracy. 4. Blockchain transparency. Every decision, every process permanently recorded and verifiable. 5. Consensus optimization. Using advanced algorithms to find solutions that unite rather than divide us. This isn't science fiction. Every component exists today. We're simply combining them in a revolutionary new way. For citizens, superintelligent democracy transforms governance from a spectator sport to a participatory experience. Imagine your values and priorities continuously reflected in policy decisions. Complex issues broken down into understandable choices. The ability to see exactly how and why decisions are made. A system that rewards consensus building over conflict. My simulations suggest citizen satisfaction could increase by up to 300% compared to traditional systems. For business leaders, superintelligent democracy offers something priceless: predictability. Imagine regulatory environments that evolve gradually and logically. Deep insight into societal values guiding product development. New markets emerging around superintelligent democracy infrastructure. The first nations to adopt superintelligent democracy would become magnets for global investment and innovation, competitive advantages for early adopting nations. For political leaders, superintelligent democracy transforms an impossible job into an achievable mission. Replace guesswork about constituent wishes with precise data. Focus on leadership rather than constant fundraising. Build policies based on real consensus rather than compromise. Become facilitators of collective wisdom rather than partisan warriors. The politicians who embrace this transformation will write the next chapter of democratic history. Let's examine how superintelligent democracy works at a technical level. Think of moral graphs as the DNA of decision-making, encoding our values, priorities, and wisdom in a format both humans and AI can understand. Every node represents a value, every connection a relationship, every path a potential decision. Artificial super wisdom isn't just another AI model, it's an ethical reasoning engine trained on humans' collective wisdom. It doesn't just solve problems, it finds solutions that honor our deepest values. Now imagine democracy as continuous as breathing. Not something you do every few years, but a natural part of daily life. That's what a citizen input system enables. Blockchain foundation means every decision, every input, every process recorded immutably and transparently. Not just secure, but verifiable by anyone, anywhere, anytime. Let's address some crucial questions head on. Privacy. Protected by zero-knowledge proofs and advanced cryptography. Multiple layers of human oversight and ethical kill switches. Digital divide. Multiple input methods ensure no one is left behind. National sovereignty. Enhanced rather than diminished by better decision-making. The cost of inaction is staggering. Nations that delay will fall behind in governance capability. Economic competitiveness will suffer as investments flow to SD-enabled countries. Talent will migrate to regions offering more responsive governance. International influence will diminish as SD-powered decisions become the global standard. The question isn't if superintelligent democracy will become the norm, but when and who will lead the transformation. Our path to implementation is clear and achievable. Start with pilot programs in forward-thinking municipalities. Scale successful models nationally. Expand across the EU through existing digital governance frameworks. Share our open source infrastructure globally. Every step is designed, every technology exists, every outcome is measurable. The crisis of democracy isn't a failure of principles, but of tools. Superintelligent democracy offers the upgrade our governance systems desperately need. The technology is ready, the framework is proven. The only question that remains is, will you help lead this transformation, rather than our divisions? Join us in building a future where technology amplifies our wisdom rather than our divisions, where decisions reflect our highest values rather than our lowest impulses, where democracy isn't just preserved, it's super intelligent. You might wonder, who's behind this futuristic vision? What truly sets me apart is my unique set of skills and experiences. Award-winning innovation. My 24 marketing awards from Eurobest, One Show, and including Cannes Lions merits demonstrate my ability to communicate complex ideas effectively. Global perspective. With over 2 decades of international experience spanning Europe, New York, and Hong Kong, I understand the diverse governance challenges firsthand. Multidisciplinary excellence. I offer the combination of AI expertise, strategic thinking, and creative storytelling. Essential skills for reimagining democracy in any highly complex challenge. A diverse perspective shaped by multiple cultural influences and a neurodivergent mindset that sees patterns others might miss. Proven results working with global brands like BMW and Amazon. AI thought leadership demonstrated through 100+ keynotes and enterprise system designs. The future of democracy isn't just a concept, it's a collaboration waiting to happen. Whether you're a policymaker seeking innovative solutions, business leader exploring new opportunities, citizen passionate about better governance. Let's build a smarter, fairer future together. You can reach me through any channel that works best for you. Email, website, or LinkedIn. Every conversation is a step toward transforming our democratic future. The tools exist, the framework is ready, the only missing piece is you. Thank you for your attention. Let's begin this journey together.